If you're looking for a writing tool that can instantly upgrade your grammar, style, clarity, and even originality, then this beginner-friendly ProWritingAid tutorial is exactly what you need. Today, I'll walk you through everything from signing up, navigating the dashboard, editing your first document, and using all the tools that make ProWritingAid one of the most powerful writing assistants available right now. So stick with me till the end because this can seriously transform your writing. Let's start with the basics. First, head over to the official ProWritingAid website. You'll see different pricing options like monthly, yearly, and even lifetime access. And if you want to save money, make sure to use the promo code I've added in the description. Once you're ready, click Try for Free and sign up using Google or your email. ProWritingAid will ask what kind of writer you are. Maybe you're writing for work, school, content creation, or something else. Select your profile and you're in. Now you'll land on the dashboard. Clean, simple, and easy to follow. You can either upload an existing document or start from scratch. If you choose a blank document, you'll see a built-in editor where you can format text with bold, italics, headings, or even generate a quick summary of your content. Once your text is ready, this is where the magic happens. ProWritingAid immediately checks grammar, spelling, punctuation, and sentence length. You'll also get an overall readability score. And ideally, you want that to fall between 11 and 18 for smooth, clear writing. It highlights repeated words, awkward phrasing, and transition issues so you can strengthen your flow. And for paid plans, you can run a plagiarism scan to make sure your writing is original. If you want deeper analysis, open the in-depth reports. These break down your writing chapter by chapter or across the entire document. You'll see style improvements, terminology consistency, readability breakdowns, and more. It's like having a professional editor reviewing your work line by line. But my favorite features are in the advanced tools. The real-time critic gives live suggestions as you type. The rephrase tool helps you reword sentences for clarity, impact, or conciseness. You'll also get suggestions for overused words, sticky words, and even a virtual beta reader that mimics how real people might react to your writing. Plus, ProWritingAid integrates with your favorite apps, Google Docs, Word, Notion, and more, so you can edit anywhere. Before you finish, don't forget to check your settings. You can switch between US and UK English, adjust your writing goals, and finally export your polished document through a shareable link or email. And that's your full beginner-friendly walkthrough of ProWritingAid. If you want to test every feature before committing, use the free trial and the promo code in the description. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.